Hey guys, welcome back. I apologize for the long break, but I'm excited to be back. I hope you've all been doing great. In today's video, we are starting a series on Coreldraw skills. We're starting with the basics that will be important for more advanced techniques in upcoming videos. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, let's learn how to fit text to a path. I want my text to follow the circle, so I'll just duplicate it and cut the extra. There are several ways to do this, but let's go with this method. After that, select the line while holding the Shift key and then click on the text. Holding the Shift key allows you to select multiple items. Next, go to Text menu and choose Fit to Path. If the text looks off like this, adjust the size until it fits perfectly. Break them apart with Ctrl K and then delete the line. Now you can add whatever design you want to it. Next, let's create a simple background. Give it a color and double click on the fill here to edit it. There are available options, but let's go with fountain fill to blend colors. You just basically mix the colors to your liking and you can change the type. And we have it here. You can even decide to add a bit of noise. Or a design with artistic media or anything. To modify text, we can use the Mesh tool to create space between text lines. And we can also highlight a text to change its color or font. That's if you don't want to break it apart like this. If you need to alter an image or logo, like sometimes I download images and I just want to change some things about them, use Trace Bitmap, then outline trace, then select detailed logo or high quality image. Click OK, and once it's traced, it becomes editable. You can change the color or break it apart using Ctrl K. For this, we'll cover adjusting an image with options under Effects. I'm trying to think of how to explain what I was trying to do here. So for darker backgrounds like the one I just created here, it's important to ensure the text stands out by using a lighter text color. And if you're limited, you can consider adding shadow behind the text. Shadow works for both light and dark background. Finally, let's create something like the insidious banner. Generate an image using AI, remove the background with remove.bg. Trace it using trace bitmap. Double-click on rectangle tool to create a box. Power clip the image, by right-clicking on the image and dragging it towards the box. Double-click on the box to edit its contents. I'll just use the artistic media tool to look for something similar. You can always download something like it when you want to do yours. Not exactly it, but we have something like that. And good news, guys, I'll be hosting a webinar here on YouTube very soon, where we'll be designing and manipulating images just like this one using Coreldraw. And there'll be opportunities to ask whatever questions you have regards designing with Coreldraw. So stay tuned so you don't miss out. And if you need a reminder, you can let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to master Coreldraw tools, you can check out my book on Amazon titled Introduction to Coreldraw. I'll have it linked in the description. If you want to edit an image, you can use auto adjust, or if you want to increase the brightness, you can use tone curve. Here I was just playing around with trace bitmap. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.